Making healthy habits fun for kids. A parent's guide is not as daunting as it sounds. Today, we're diving into the art of cultivating enjoyable, healthy habits for our little ones. We'll explore practical tips to make this task not just achievable, but also engaging. Ready to transform your child's lifestyle? Let's get started. Actions speak louder than words. Show them what healthy living looks like. It's as simple as choosing water instead of soda or picking healthier foods at the grocery store. These small changes can make a world of difference. Remember, your actions set the standard. Kids thrive on positivity and achievable goals. Encouragement and achievable goals are the building blocks of a child's self-esteem and motivation. Rather than focusing on what they can't do, let's highlight what they can. Each small victory, no matter how trivial it may seem, is a stepping stone towards bigger achievements. Celebrate these moments and watch as their confidence grows, and they become more eager to tackle new challenges. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Success breeds success. Keep the positive vibes flowing. Family time is prime time for instilling healthy habits. It's a golden opportunity to promote health, strengthen bonds, and reduce screen time. Think walks in the park, bike rides, or even gardening. These aren't just activities, but memories in the making. The benefits? A healthier lifestyle and a closer-knit family. Plus, less screen time means less sedentary behavior and fewer bad habits. It's time we swapped the remote for a frisbee, the game controller for a bicycle. Make every moment count and make every moment healthy. Rewards and meals can be more than just fun. They can be educational and healthy too. Choosing meaningful rewards is paramount. Opt for stimulating educational gifts like books or art supplies, or offer experiences like a trip to the museum. Enroll them in a class they're interested in, like dance or coding. These rewards aren't just immediate gratifications, they're investments in their growth and happiness. Now let's talk meals. Involve your children in meal preparation. It's a fun way to educate them about nutrition. Make a game of understanding food labels together. You'll be surprised at how quickly they pick up on making wise food choices. So transform rewards and meals into opportunities for growth and learning. Being proactive and involved is the key to your child's health. By understanding their interests and advocating for their well-being, you can foster a love for healthy habits. So which of these healthy habits will you pick first for your child? Share with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.